On today's video, we'll be looking at the Opebi link bridge, which is almost complete. Anyways, the reason why I'm making this video is because a lot of you has been asking me to create a video concerning the Opebi link bridge and to make an update concerning the construction progress and how far it is going. So that's the reason why I'm here, to make this video and also show you guys the construction progress. As you can see, the bridge has been worked on almost 99%. The road has been casted and also the road light has been installed, such as solar electricity and CCTV camera. The handrails on the link bridge between Maryland and the Ojota has been completed, and now this is under the bridge, which is a diversion that was built to help those who missed the road to quickly turn back instead of going all the way to Ikorodu K2 my 12, so you could easily make a U-turn under the bridge and find your way back. This bridge is being constructed by Julius Berger, a very popular company and also known for their reliability in terms of construction. Let's walk on this road and see how good this road project has been and what's so new and what's so bad. Though during my time or my visit to this place, I didn't notice any drainage. There was no single drainage done on this construction site. First of all, it lets me wondering why no drainage was built on this place. But don't be in a haste to judge. Just calm down, watch the video, and I'll show you what really happened on this part of the road and the reason why no drainage was dug or constructed around this road construction site. So before you start asking where is the drainage, this is the drainage that was made here. This is a canal that channel water all the way to the big canals and also the rivers. So what they did on this road was they created small holes, which I'll be showing you very soon. They created small holes on the road just to make sure the water passed through those holes, and there's a pipe which move straight into the canal, helping the water to flow straightly into the big drainage and the big canals. And the handrails that was used here is cement. These are the ones that are also being installed around Costain, Apapa and Ojota area. And as you can see, this is how wide this road is. The road has many diversion, many connections, making it very, very useful and also accessible to reduce travel time and also enhance quick diversion in case need be. Anyways, during the construction of this road, when it started, it looks like something that was going to take longer time, but I was surprised the construction was as fast as it could ever be. This is one of the fastest bridge construction in Lagos that I have witnessed, though there might be some that were faster, but this is the fastest I've ever witnessed. The diversion was quick, the construction was also quick, and the rehabilitation of the older bridge was done properly.